funding will become a problem now.
Now, let me tell you something. Let me tell you. We have major social intervention programs at Awuah. So I tell you, one, free education, health insurance. Emra yedi health insurance emra no edit to hona bam. In here say 2.5% value added tax should do what?
Should be added
into it. We a senior journalist, very seasoned. Have you seen any policy document on free SHS? Mr. I am
not yet. It was just recently I be Ekoya no one some kind.
Perfect. Major intervention like education. No policy document on it. National health insurance. Emra ban say or the econo or call parliament. In a parliament pass emra. So it is the law that regulates its implementation. Anna.
Yeah.
You can say free education. Then I regulated the implementation. Sebi. Obroni oyeka onya manual ento.
That's right.
Mr. Kong. Mobile phone ye any manual. Equipment I will use ye defia brotie na manual nka ho.
Until yet me share.
Manual ben in a free education. Maybe so.
That is almost the be called.
Imagine after how many years?
8 years.
Abba. All people are asking you to do is to look back. What is wrong looking back? Minya, what is wrong? When people, Sebio, your 1992 constitution, there was some governing principles.
Okay.
Probity, accountability, transparency. Your counsel to account is to look back, to probe bizarre questions. What is wrong? When genuine people say your enwa utie GBA president okasi enye okasi den ye beye amayama ade na ye dey better ana eno no obi ape we are are we not looking to make things better for ourselves? Is that not what we are doing?
That's what we're doing. Edudzi.
Now, even international organizations like the IMF and the rest, when they raise issues that the policy is poorly targeted, all they are saying is that, see it meets Nase with Georgia, we can actually come out with a blueprint, a policy guideline. This should be our target. This should be the quality. Okasa also na free SHS Mofrano Oma performing and their good grades. What is on all cancer asem no? Miss Rowe, secondary school ben alcohol.
The Anglican secondary school.
Perfect. Obi ewie Prempeh College. Na onya AAAA nkwa eye strange. Maybe so. Obi ko Achmota. No onya AAAA eye strange. Obi ko Opokuware. No onya AAAA eye strange. It is oba na oba be ka say, Mr. Ekon. Onipa na onya AAAA no. Eye the same Prempeh College no. Eye the same top schools. Who school am ekwaye? We Kwanta secondary school. Uti. Region. Na me feel na me by University of Ghana. Majority Agyei. Good. What I am interested in is baby say.
Kwanta Sisiano.
How is it looking like today? That's how you measure outcomes.
All right. Thank you, Edudzi. Let me come back to you.
And you see, 30 seconds. You see, the reason why I am particular about education and setting targets and a way, and then they say, But for education, I'm not sure I'll be in this studio. So if
but I mean, him say you have one or two about it, then you swing into Galamsey. Okay. Then we look at that also.
Omai. So when you say Manhyia Edudzi, on a director of Liga ma NDC for.
That's right.
And then the kasa wakasa nyina no echire one thing. The echire is free SHS no by way of policy. NDC for bonyoso. Bonyoso. Oh, what raises a lot of issues with that?
Well, let's listen to it.
What raises a lot of issues? You think, sir?
This issue is calling for attention. So even if we have to deal with this crowd on this show, let's deal with it.
No, and someone what can you know? Mobonyoso. Now the other do you approve of it? You don't Tobo Katachi.
But we would say, Edudzi said also what church.
What raising Tobo? What raising a dozen issues? Who say Edika? Who say ye J MPP for ye J? Na adieno ye can't some chreya yintie the pasia ya ni head ye and yes I mean
that's right.
Na dear na ya can the pasia ya ni ye and ye free SHS ya it is the old part and say the nipa nyina ka fa free SHS one day the bubu nu aguaso yes yentie dear na nipa ka fa ho musi free SHS no it shouldn't be for everybody as someone can you see and you be an necessary onya free SHS ni bi and some work can nyina na bo no to fa the ye pa kire no o pa kire no o kan ya kire say me sabi mitwitua me school fees aboarding enti adenti na aban edi free SHS ba amankrofo bi to say yen no a yetwitua school fees aboarding o ma so akobi e kire wo say free SHS na e wo ho sesiye no obonyo so enti for obi to say Manhyia Edudzi or yet director of Liga for the National Democratic Congress say obeka de o keken no na kira wo say NDC for the ya ka say free SHS no omobonyo so no opani eye no kre ene wachire se mobonyo so a die na mo ba mo be ya afa ho ene questioner ko san edi akire besi na muntumi nkan kire yen besi na muntumi nkan kire yen usi means test no kwan ya mo be fa so a mo be ye no muntumi nkan kire yen besi na eti mo bonyu sui na mo se mo be ye means test na kwan be fa so am be means test mo nkan kire yen na de na mo pa kire ate sa de no senia ye no sei na obi eko bie no muba bubechem na makope bibi foforo de aba sene ye be ya obi a onu no ntumi ntua no obeden obeko oman ye wo krom hai so nim get fan scholarship
yeah
ewo ho obetumi apply so ni sika ye wodiema a ewo system ni mu for nka enye free SHS a aban ewo ewo enseye bia egu kwan mu a sabi omo ntimi ntua no kom betumi akoho enso nya saa na ye den ye pe no free say to say de me kan ye no cocoa board na omai enye sabi obi o cocoa kuani na esese ne saka what is means test for cocoa scholarship means test ne say we ye cocoa kuani enti wa apply enti wa apply no cocoa kuani na wa apply no ene ye de ma wo enso de ne si ye ye nyina ye de ye hu bi enti mumu means test na mo ka ho asem no means no test no eye brofo na menu ye waka de womu de tuamu ne de omuntumi nkan a lawyer for be ka particulars chese kwan a mo be fa so a mo be ye means test no o mai besi ne muntumi nkan ye de all kan nyina ya ade a na e wo ho dada enso anya adwuma enunti na nana adodan kwa akofo ya ba eti se menu ye atena ha kan de waka dia na chese niama omo ka se free SHS has come to stay no eye dada bi no mo dada Ghana for omo ba bi twam no makofa bi foforo ba ye de be means test minua saa de no be ha me maame na me hia no Osubi Valley no a oka se free SHS inti ne mamienu e wo school dem ene ekọ secondary school ena kire wo se yenuanom NDC fo no kra no oman eniama omo criticize wo kroma asese no either say oman omunia no aduro ana say de omo kaso omo beye no nukura nyeden enim enti onia no aduro na all criticize who the two mission in semade na besie they are not ready to govern.
Really?
Yes, they are not. Oman hwe free SHS na ye ka se enye nkofo ka no NDC fo ka se yenye ministers no oman ye di kan agi atum se free SHS no oman esika 17 ye de eden e baaye entisa ana ya agi atum se ye ka se free SHS no e problematica na e sikasem ne man ye problematica yan hye Ghana sikasem send your free SHS ni si eden affect no yenhwe wo hye the Ministry of Education kra na omo average budget allocation since 2017 on the average about 17 billion cedis. 17 billion cedis average budget allocation to Ministry of Education since 2017. That is the average. And I mean we also can say free SHS no, from 2017 basically a kaya boy 12 billion. Who divided 12 billion no, by 7 years MPP for ye diwa aban mu a not just a free SHS no afibia edi Ministry of Education kwa budget ni mpo no edi mu 1.7 billion cedis. It is say aban budgetary allocation kwa eko Ministry of Education no free SHS di mu 10% pe